Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to define Claude's answer. If you're using Claude AI and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to get any response or any answer to your Claude AI, you might not get the response that you want. So let's see how can you refine your answer or your response from Claude AI. You just have to simply open your Claude AI in your browser or in your phone, and here I'm gonna log into my account. Now, once you are in, you have multiple ways to refine your answer. So, let's say if you want to get or add more details in your answer, so you can also say that add more details in this answer, and it will add more details in your answer. You can also refine your details if you want to. You can add any filter to your answer. If you want to short any answer, let's say I wanna pasting here, shorten your previous response by 50%. So it will make a response half of the previous response. But while keeping all the key informations, remove repetition and unnecessary explanation. So it will keep all the key information. Any key information will not be deleted. It will only remove the repetition or unnecessary explanation. So once you have sent this prompt, it will completely make a short version of your response. So if you have a response and you want to get a shortened version, so you can say make it shorter as well as you can, and it will make a shorter version for you of your response. Or if you want to change your response based on your audience, let's say if Claude AI has give you a basic response or a beginner response, so you can say that change this response to a technical expert, and after that you'll get an expert response from your Claude AI. So you can refine your answer in multiple ways using Claude AI, and it's so easy to use. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.